For today's game, we are playing a thumbs up toss. So you got to keep all your fingers in so that they stay in a thumbs up position. You can't use them. And then we have some hair elastics. We're going to, just like he just did, toss it from one thumb to the next. Whoever does that successfully the most number of times, he just got a second one. In 60 seconds, 3 is the winner, but he's got to start over. So on your mark, get set, go. 1. I didn't think that one was gonna go. You got 3 in the intro.
1, no.
Oh, almost. So down, stop.
1.
Oh, good job. So it's 1 to 1.
2.
2 to 1. Oh. 2 to 2. 3. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you can join us for all of our future games as well. Ah! It's a good thing that didn't go flying too far. Uh-oh.
Yes.
You've got some extra time. You're at 2, right?
Yeah. 3.
3 to 2. Oh, 3 to 3, 4. 4 to 4. 6 seconds left. I just got 5. Will he get it within 2 seconds? Oh, so close. So 5 to 4, I end up with the win. So that is our thumbs up toss. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.